Hello everybody. In this video, we will see what is manifesting and the law of attraction. Do you know that you have the power to create the life you wanted? Yes, you do. And whatever it is that you have now is the thing that you had attracted, be it consciously or unconsciously. But before going forward, if you like videos about manifestation, please subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified for further videos published. Also, in the description, I have a link to a free guide to effective manifestation and to valuable shortcuts in your path to success. You may have heard of the book The Secret, which states the law of attraction as the secret to success. The law of attraction means that you attract what you put your focus on. It all starts in your thoughts, then it manifests in your words and actions. The law of attraction is saying that everyone and everything in our surroundings emits energy, and that frequency attracts those of the same energy. The universe is filled with invisible energy that emits vibrations that affect our energy. Its main principle is like attracts like. Positive energy attracts positive events, people, and relationships in our life. Whatever you give to the universe will bounce back to you. If you give off negative energy, the same energies will be drawn to you. Have you ever noticed in yourself that you complain the same way your friends and family complain about life? There are also times when you feel so good about yourself and all the blessings would suddenly pour out on you. That is how the law of attraction works. The golden rule here is to give what you are willing to receive. Do you want respect, joy, abundance, prosperity, and happiness? Then openly give it to the universe. But what exactly is manifestation? What is its difference from the law of attraction? Manifestation is a byproduct of the law of attraction. It resulted from consciously practicing the law of attraction. It is more of bringing your awareness to your subconscious while vividly manifesting your desires. It is being in that desired moment, in your thoughts, words, and emotions. When you manifest your dreams, you have an accurate picture of your goals. Every detail should be there as if you are living in that moment. Manifesting is a higher practice of the law of attraction by living in your desires as if it is already happening. Its principle is doing and feeling it as if it is already manifesting in your life. In the law of attraction, we mentioned that you have to radiate a positive aura to be a magnet of blessings. Some people have difficulty practicing it because of their current state. They might be in the lowest point of their life, and they don't feel good about themselves and their surroundings. This is where manifestation comes in. It tricks your mind into believing that what you dreamt of is already manifesting in your life to alter your emotional state. When this happens, you would feel good about yourself and be filled with that kind of energy. Manifesting is being more mindful of your thoughts and harnessing your inner power. This may be hard at first, but with constant practice and mindfulness meditation, you can gain power over your mind. You have to trick your mind into thinking and feeling that it is your current reality. There is also a theory that your mind is connected to your spirit and it transcends to the universe. However, some say it is pseudoscience, meaning it is not factual and has no scientific basis at all. If that is the case, then what is the point of yoga, meditation, hypnosis, and other wellness therapies, right? These things are all tied to psychology, and psychology is the science of mind and behavior. What do you think? Please leave your comment to share your experience, or even if you disagree or have doubts. I have put together a free guide to make manifesting easier and faster. You can find the link in the description. And if you like the video and want more on manifesting, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for your time, and see you in future videos.